If you want to set up and manage your payroll in WebWork, you can do that by going down into the Finance section, then going to Manage Payroll. Over here, you'll be able to adjust all the payroll settings for all of your members. Firstly, we have hourly rate. Here you can adjust the hourly rate for your members. This is mainly used for timesheet calculations. So whenever you put a fixed salary for your members, the hourly rate will not be used. The hourly rate is also used on projects that are hourly based or when billing customers outside of your workspace. Then we have access to finances. Enabling access to finances allows the member to see the rates of their and other workspace members based on their member type permissions. So let's say you're an employee, and if you have access to finances, you'll only be able to see your hourly rates. Next, we have payroll type. There are two types of payrolls. Firstly, we have timesheet approval, and we have fixed salary. Let's say we want to pay our members based on the timesheet approval. If we click on it, here we can see that we can choose a pay period, for example, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and etc. and when this pay period will start. I'll just leave it as Monday. And you can choose when this will start, for example, this Monday or next Monday. Once you fill this out, you can go ahead and press save. And if we choose fixed salary, here we'll choose the frequency of the salary, which is either daily, weekly, or monthly, as well as the salary amount. I'll just put it as 100. Again, once you filled out the information, you can go ahead and click save. After that, we have pay through. This is where you select how you want to pay your members. So for example, if I want to pay my member, I can go ahead and choose one of these payment systems. Here we have payment methods like PayPal, Card, Bitwage, payroll systems like Deal and Xero, or you can export the file and pay through Wise, PayPal, Payoneer, and Gusto. You can also see the status of this integration. So for example, PayPal is not set up. As you can see, it's gray. And if the integration is set up, it'll be green. That means we can use this payment system. And we also have orange. If the member has not fully set up the integration, so for example, they started setting it up but did not complete it, the status will be orange. Next, you'll be able to see the pay period, either monthly, daily, weekly, and etc. And we also have started amount. This basically means when the timesheet approval has started. Lastly, we have salary amount. Here you'll just be able to see their fixed salary. Now, if you want to only see members with a payroll type, you can go ahead and click on Show Only with Payroll Type. This means the system will only show members with a payroll type. As we can see here, there are no members without a payroll type. And here at the top, you'll be able to see the payment and payroll integrations. What that means is you'll be able to see what integrations have been set up and which ones are not set up. And you can easily set them up by simply clicking on them. Now, if you want to export this, you can simply go to the top right corner and click on Export. You can either export this as a CSV file or an Excel file.